welcome to Red Sunset. This is a simple piece using wet on wet technique and some basic colors. So we'll start by pre-mixing some colors. White and yellow will create the lightest light on the sunset. Next, you'll create an orange. You'll have some of this mixture on your brush so that it will create a light orange peach. The first thing you'll do is add these two colors, starting with the lightest and then the second lightest, to sort of save the lighter areas before you go in with the red. The reason we pre-mix these colors is so that using this wet on wet technique, your colors don't dry on the canvas before you have a chance to blend your sky how you'd like it to look in the end. So if you move quick enough, your whole sky should be wet as you work it. So when you're ready to begin, you'll take a wide wash brush and you'll start by adding the lightest colors, which would be the lightest light, the white yellow, and then the orange. So these two colors together, if you don't overblend them, then you should end up with a variety of different lights and darks, values, and different colors. White, yellow, and oranges and slight peach. This is the center, the lightest area of your sunset. Next, you'll add the red, which will be added around the edges, leaving this lighter area revealed. So you're sort of painting around with the darker colors. This will frame in that beautiful center part, which is vibrant and will cause beautiful reflections in your foreground. Most important thing, remember to not overblend and move quickly. Don't try getting it perfect. Just have fun. Once you have the entire sky part blocked in from edge to edge, then you'll go back through and use the lighter colors and medium values and start layering while it's still wet. You'll end up picking up some of the colors underneath, and also if you're using thick enough paint as you pick up the yellows and peaches especially, then you'll be able to layer those sort of sparkle colors. You'll see lines that are a little bit thicker. You'll see areas that are a lot brighter, and that will depend on how much paint you're able to pick up and not use it too sparingly. So be bold, pick up that paint, and most important, don't overblend. Feel free to go back through and just make sure all of the raw canvas is covered. Sometimes you'll see little sparks of white, and that's just where the paint didn't quite get into the crevices of the canvas. Looks great so far. So in the next video, video 2 for Red Sunset, we'll do some more mixing.